Okay, first program I will explain this one. I think this program I already explained because this is given in your book also. Program is just like this. We have to display pattern like this type. First single star, then double star, then triple star in a triangular manner. Clear? This is your program. Now make it this as a comment. Means we want to display this type of star, this much in a triangular shape. So for this, we have a code. Look this code for and again for. Two for loop are used here. First for loop, this outer for loop is for columns. Sorry, columns. Is it correct? Yes or no? This is for rows only. It is not for columns. It is for rows. Clear? And second one is for number of columns. So one loop is for rows and second one is for columns. Look this. I. This time inside the range value is 5. 5 means we want to display 5 star. Means number of rows 5. Or if you want to reduce this, so you can reduce like 3. 3 means it will consider 3 rows. One row means first row, then second row, then third row. Total 3 row it will print when the value inside the range is 3. That means start from 0, then 1, and then 2. So first time the value of I is 0. What is the value of I? I'm writing here the value of I is 0. I is 0, and then for I in range I plus 1, that means 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. So similarly here the value of j is also 0. Why it is 0? Because I, value of I is 0. 0 plus 1, that is 1. Or if we write like this, if we write range range or inside this 1, that means it start from 0. It start from 0. That's why the value of j is 0. That's why the value of j is 0. So here the value of I as well as value of j both are 0. I 0 and j is also 0. Then print star. Print star, that means this star it will display. Then and equals to space. That means if the condition is true next time, if the next time condition is true, so next star will print after this. After this, check it. After printing this first star, after printing this first star, then it will increase the value of j. Now the value of j is 1. But according to the range, it is not correct because in the range function there is only 1 is given. Range में क्या दिया है? That is 1. ठीक है? So it will start from 0 and finish at 0 because size minus 1. This is the size. Last value 1 है. 1 minus 1 that means 0. It start from 0 and finish at 0. 0 शुरू होगा 0 पे खत्म हो जाएगा. That means condition is false. Condition is false. So we move to the outer loop. Outer loop. Now the value, new value of I is 1. After that, new value of I is 1. 1. Again come here. For j in range, I plus 1. That means this time the value of I is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. So range 2. That means range range in bracket 2 is written. That means start from 0 then 1. ठीक है? तो value of j is 0 because range क्या हो गया यहाँ पर? range 2 हो गया है. ठीक है? range 2, that means the value of j is 0. So value of j is 0, value of I is 1. Value of I is 1, that means we will move to the next row. यहाँ आ जाएंगे, सेकंड रो में आ गए. ठीक है? सेकंड रो में आए तो व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ दिस प्रिंट? अब एक आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन आएगा, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ दिस प्रिंट? दिस प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट विल प्रिंट नथिंग। दिस प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट विल प्रिंट नथिंग मीन्स इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं लिखा है, दैट मीन्स इट विल प्रिंट नथिंग, कुछ भी नहीं प्रिंट करेगा। इट इज यूज्ड ओनली टू मूव आवर कर्सर टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन। ठीक है, जो हमारा कर्सर यहाँ चल रहा था उसको यहाँ शिफ्ट करने के लिए वी हैव this print statement, or this time the value of I is 1, that means second row. Second row, again the value of j is 0. Value of j is 0, then print star. Print star, so it will print this one star. Now next time increment the value of j first, because j is the inner loop. Now the new value of j is 1, or 1 is lies here. Yes, of course, because inside the range there is 2. Range के अंदर क्या दिया है? 2 दिया हुआ है. That means it is true. It is true. So print again one more star like this. Second star it will print. Then when the value of j is 2, जैसे ही मैं 2 करता हूं उसे, now condition is false, because range 2 includes only two numbers, one is 0 and second one is 1. 0 और 1 दो ही नंबर लेगा, it will not include this 2. That means condition is false. Condition is false, तो come out from this loop. इस loop से हम बाहर आ जाएंगे and print statement execute. So this, when this statement will execute, तो cursor will move to the new line. Cursor will move to the new line. That means third row. Then the value of I would be 2. Now the value of I is 2. Clear? Again, check it. For j in range 2 plus 1, that means 3. RANG range. Now this value, now this time value is 3. Value is 3. So it will consider the value of j is 0. 0. So this time value of I is 0, I is 2, and the value of j is 0. So print star. Print star means second row. Second row means 0 index, 1 index, and then 2 index. So means according to number wise, that is third row, or according to index wise, this is second row. Clear? Then the value of j is 0. J is 0 means in first column it will display star. Display star. Then and equals to space. So it means it will provide some space after this space. Then new value of j would be 1. New value is 1. Then print star. So next star it will display. Then space. So it will display some space after this. And then new value of j is 2. 2. Then display one more star. Display star. After that space. After that space. Clear? Then when it becomes 3, then condition is false. Why? Because of this line. Because of this. Range 3. Range 3 means it will consider only 0, 1, and 2. That means when the j reached 3, it become false. Condition become false. To come out from this loop and print line will execute. Print line will execute means cursor will move to the next line, and when it move to the outer loop, now the value of I is 3. Again it is false. Why? Because of this range 3. Range 3 means it will consider the value of I equals to 0, 1, or 2 only. Because when the value of I is 3, then the condition is false. So 3 is the last value. The last minus 1, that is 2. So it will execute till the value of I is 2. Is it clear or not? This question is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear. Now see the output of this code. Now see this. 3 rows, 3 columns, or star is printed in a triangular manner. Is it clear? Or if you write here 5, so it will increase number of rows as well as number of columns. Now see this output. Now this total number of rows are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So total 5 rows and 5 columns. Clear? So in this manner, if question says that here you have to print has, so change this star sign and put pound symbol, that is called has. Now see the output. Clear? If you want to print only 1111, then write 1 and then display like this. Then 111111. So any type, matlab any triangular shape like star, has, 1 or anything else, you can display by the help of this concept. Is it clear? Hmm? Students, it is clear? Yes or no? Arshad, it is clear?
Sir.
Very good. Chalo. Now, next one. Next program. Next program, suppose that a question came like write a program in Python and display a Fibonacci series. A Fibonacci series means like first number 0, then second number 1, then addition of these two elements, two numbers, 0 plus 1 will the result or third number. क्या होगा? First number, suppose that series start from 0, 0 and second number is 1. Then third number you consider when you add first two numbers like 0 and 1. 0 plus 1, result is 1. What is the next? What is the next? So last two numbers you have to add. This time last two numbers are 1 and 1. So when you add 1 and 1, so this is the new number, that is 2. Then last two number 2 and 1. So add these 2 and 1, result is 3. Similarly, next number of the series 3 plus 2, that is 5. Then next number like 3 plus 2, 3 plus 5, that is 8. Similarly, next number 5 plus 8, 13. So in this manner, you can generate your list like this. Fibonacci series clear? Yes or no? Fibonacci series says that you have to take first two numbers from where you want to start your series. ये आपको बताना पड़ेगा सीरीज आपने शुरू कहां से करनी है. By default, it we want to say that start from 0. That's why first two numbers are 0 and 1. I have taken here. If you want to start your number from 5 and 6, suppose that first number is 5 and second number is 6, then your series something different. Something different means first number is 5, second number is 6, so then third number is 5 plus 6, 11. Then next number is 11 plus 6, that is 17. Like this. In this manner, it will generate your series. Clear? So, but here I want to start simple series that start from 0. So 0 and 1, these two are the first two numbers. Then you ask from the user how many terms you want to enter. How many terms means like this. Suppose user says that programmer says that or user says that we want to display only 8 number in the series. 8 numbers means 8 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is 8 terms. देखो first, look this, first term, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh or eighth. Total 8 terms are here. If user says that we want to display 8 terms, so means program start or make like this. See, first you execute this code, then you can understand more. How many terms you want to enter? I want to enter 8 terms. Now see this, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. It will display. If You want to see total 20 terms now, right? 20. See this. These are the 20 terms. Count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, or 20. Total 20 terms are here. Clear? Or see this logic, 0 and 1. First two numbers are same. Then addition of these two, 0 plus 1, that is 1. It is the next number. Then last two number, 1 plus 1, 2. Then last two number, 2 plus 1, result is 3. Then 2 plus 3, that is 5. Like this. So this is the logic behind the Fibonacci series. Now see the code. A equals to 0.
सर
Yes, ask your doubt.
सर
Ask.
इसमें हमने रेंज में 2 लिया है, तो सर इसे शुरू के 2 नंबर नहीं दिखाने चाहिए ना, 0 और
Listen,
1.
listen. First, I will explain, and then ask. After that, you ask your doubt. Okay. Now I am explaining this program.
ओके.
A equals to 0, then B equals to 1. A equals to 0, and then B equals to 1. These two are the first two numbers of the series. Clear? Then question n equals to int input, how many terms you want to enter, कितनी terms आपने enter करवानी है. This is your code. Suppose that we want to enter 8. Clear? For this series 8. Now look there, by using this line print a comma b, means these first two terms are printed by using this line a comma b. That means the value of a is 0 and the value of b is 1, so it will display 0 and 1. Clear? And then and
ओके सर.
space, that means we want to continue with output. जो next line में print का output आएगा, we want to continue with the same line. इसी line के साथ output आ जाए, merge हो जाए. ठीक है? So that's why here we used and equals to space. Then for I in range 2, 2 means 0 index and 1 index we already printed. 0 index and 1 index पे जो भी था we already printed. Now we want to start from second index and it will stop when it reach n minus 1, because the size या last index is n. n दे रखी है तो n minus 1, that means the last value. Clear? So start from 2. ठीक है? Now the value of I is 2. Then add these two numbers. The value of A is 0 and the value of B is 1. Now result is 0 plus 1. It will store in variable C. It will store in variable C, that is 1, because 0 plus 1 result is 1. Then print C. Print C means it will display next element, that is 1. Then space and equals to space, that means we will not move to the next line. Next time में नहीं जाएंगे. Then A equals to B. So means now this time this B value, what is the value of B? 1. This B value जो है, it will assign in variable A. That means now 1 become A. जो 1 है इसमें वो मेरा A बन जाएगा. Clear? Now this B, value of B become A. तो अब जो B की वैल्यू है वो A बन जाएगी. And then the value of C. So what is the value of C? This is 1 again. This is also 1. Now it become B. So value of A, new value of A is 1. New value of B is 1. New value of A is 1. New value of B is 1. Then new value of I 3, because 2 के लिए तो execute हो गया. Now the value of I is 3. Then value of A is 1. Value of B is also 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 is the new value of C. So it will display this 2 and then and space. Then A equals to B. So value of B is 1. Value of B is 1. So it will consider as A means this is the new value of A after assigning, and the value of C, that is 2, it is a new value of B. Clear? The value of new value of A is 1 and the new value of B is 2. Clear? Again, this time the value of I is 4. 4, then 1 plus 2, that is 3. So 3 is the new value. In this manner, it will display and generate the series, Fibonacci series. Is it clear or not? If you have any doubt,
Yes.
query regarding this program, please ask. Anybody? Any doubt? Mhm. One program is given in your book.
Yes, sir.
One program given in your book, that is write a program in Python to display simple interest as well as compound interest in a same program, single program. This I explained already or share with you. कर लिया था हमने शायद ये, ठीक है. Now look this, for simple interest, we have to take principal, rate and time. So P equals to enter principal in terms of float, then rate, enter rate, then T is for time, enter time, and the formula of SI is P into R into T upon 100. Then print simple interest is SI. It will display same as it is. Then when we want to count or calculate the compound interest, so before calculating the compound interest, first of all, we have to calculate amount. So amount, formula for amount is A equals to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 की whole power n. So here n means t. T is for time. That's why I have written t. And then you have to calculate simple interest. The formula of simple interest is amount minus principal. Here A indicate amount and P indicate principal. Clear? So I will write like this. Formula of compound interest amount minus principal. Clear? This is the formula of compound interest. So first of all, you have to calculate amount. Formula of, for amount is P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 की whole power T या N, then CI equals to A minus P, and then calculate the compound interest and display by using this print line. This is the very simple program. Check the output. If principal is 1000, rate is 10%, or time is 1 year, then you know very well both compound interest and simple interest both will same for first year. Look this, simple interest 100 and compound interest is also 100, both are same. But when you calculate your compound interest or simple interest for 2 years, then it will change. Rate 10%. Now the time is 2 years. Then C. Simple interest is 20 rupees when your principal is 100, and then compound interest is 21 rupees. Clear? So bank will follow this concept, compound interest. Clear? This is very simple program. I think no doubt you have in this question. किसी को doubt है तो please ask in this question. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Good. This is the series. 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x की power 4 plus dot 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 plus x की power n. This is the series, and question will come like write a program to find sum of the series. Find the sum of this series means s equals to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x 4 plus dot 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 plus x power n. So what you need in this program, this is very simple program for you. Simple program. It is look like difficult, but it is very simple question. Here in this question, you need only two things. One is the value of x and second one is the value of n. N means how many terms you want to enter. मतलब कितनी terms आपने चलानी है ये आपको पता करना चाहिए. Means from where you want to stop, means x की power 5 में रुकना है या x की power 10 में रुकना है या x की power 20 में रुकना है. It depends on you. So here n means number of terms. ये number of powers आपको कितनी लेनी है. Clear? So means for this you have to take the value of n. Then पावर किसकी लगनी है, मतलब बेस क्या होगा. लाइक 2 to the power 2 है, 2 to the power 3 है, 2 to the power 4 like this, or maybe the value of x is like 5, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 4 like this. What you want to take as a base. So here in this question, in this program, you need two values. One is the value of x and second one is value of n. Now make this program with the help of Python. Open new file. X equals to okay, no problem. You can leave, Ayush. X equals to int, then input, enter the value of x. Then n, same line you have to write again because I have very less time, only 2 minutes is showing. So now I am copying and pasting the same line, then x and n. After that, what we want to do, we start from 0 index and finished at n. So for I in range n plus 1, then colon, then s plus equals to x to the power sign of power is this one, I. Then at the last we want to print sum only. Sum is s. ये लिख दो, sum of the series is s. Now execute your code. Okay, first time save series series.py. Enter the value of x. So take the value of x is 2. Then number of terms like 3. Oh, something mistake. S is not defined. Very good. This is the error. So here we have to take s equals to 0. This is the initial value. Then now execute this code, enter the value of x, that is 2, and then power 3, and then see this. Sum of the series is 15. Now put the value. Look here. When the value of x की power 0 means 2 to the power 0. देखो first time 2 to the power 0 क्योंकि x की power 0 है ना, x की पावर 0. तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x की पावर 0? दैट इज 1. तो 1